INTRO, hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into n8n automation for beginners. If you've ever wondered how to automate repetitive tasks without coding, n8n is the perfect solution. With its no-code interface and open-source platform, n8n lets you connect APIs, handle data, and build custom workflows in minutes. By the end of this video, you'll have a basic automation running in under 30 seconds. Let's get started. Point 1. First, let's set up your n8n environment. Go to n8n.com and click Start Free. You'll need a web browser and internet access. Once you're in, click Create New Workflows to begin. Point 2. Now, let's connect your first API. In the workflow editor, click Add New Node. Select HTTP request and fill in the URL, method, and headers. For example, use a simple API like the OpenWeatherMap API to fetch weather data. This is where n8n shines, no coding needed. Point 3. Next, add data handling. Use the function node to process the data from the HTTP request. For instance, extract the temperature from the API response. Then, connect it to a Slack webhook node to send a notification. This simple workflow automates weather updates to your Slack channel. OUTRO, and that's it. You've just created a basic n8n automation. With this tutorial, you can build more complex workflows for email, social media, and data processing. Remember, n8n is free, open source, and works with any API.